Greetings, this video is about how to clean out your Google Photos. You may not actually be using Google Photos, in which case you won't need to watch this video, or you may not be aware that you are using Google Photos, and here's the way to find out. So we're going to actually start by going to Google Drive so that we can see down here on the left how much of our storage is actually in use. It takes it a second to calculate out. So here's storage. We're going to click on this storage item and it will show us, for example, how much of our space is in use by Drive, how much by Gmail, and how much by Photos. This number looks really huge, but keep in mind it's megabytes, not gigabytes, so it's a little bit different. Now, if it says that there's nothing in your photos, no need to go any further. But for now, we're going to go ahead and actually click over here and scroll down to Photos. Unfortunately, there's no real great way to deal with photos on a mass basis, okay? But here's some photos that I didn't even know were in here. At some point, my phone must have connected with Google Photos and decided that I had a bunch of photos that I needed to upload into my Carthage, and so on and so on. Plus, I was pretty sure I had cleaned a bunch of these out. So the only way to get rid of batches and batches of photos at the same time is to start up here in this left-hand corner, then scroll down, down, down. If you need to go farther, go ahead. And then when you get down to the bottom one, hit your shift, click that one. That will specify or select a whole bunch. Now use your delete to move these to the trash. Like anything else, and let me get rid of that, the trash will only stay there for 30 days and then the stuff will be gone. So you might have these same photos, for example, these pictures of books on shelves in your Google Drive, but if they're in Photos and Drive, let's try to help ourselves out by getting rid of stuff within Drive. Like I said, there isn't any real way to get rid of a bunch of stuff all at once. So let's say I wanted to do this. I don't really have any way to get rid of the entire album all at once. The best way that I can do it is to go to Photos, click the top one, scroll down, hit Shift, hit click again, and click the bottom one, and that'll do a whole bunch. If you only want certain ones, you can click, 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 and so on, highlight only the ones you want, and then click delete. So do everybody a favor, if you need your photos there and they're being useful and they're related to Carthage and not your own personal vacations and so forth, then feel free to leave them there. But please do help us to clean out anything that's either not related to Carthage or that you really don't need anymore or that might be duplicated in another place. Thanks so much. Bye.